ever wonder why a lime's green? Or an apple's red? Or what colors of light come out of a white light bulb? Well, we're going to be investigating that very thing on today's episode of DboyLabs. How can we see objects? Well, the simple answer is light. Light comes from a source, bounces off an object, and reflects to hit your eye, which your brain perceives as an image. But what if there were no light? Well, then there'd be no source to bounce off an object, to hit your brain, to perceive as an image. So you'd see nothing. In the absence of light is black. Well, what visible colors of light come out of a white light bulb? Well, we have different objects here that represent the visible light spectrum. We have a red apple, an orange, a yellow lemon, a green lime, and a blue balloon. But why do they all display different colors? Because there's different pigments in them that absorb all the other colors except for one color. So for this one, it absorbs all the other colors except for red. So the red light reflects off the apple and hits our eyes. So, since we can see all the colors here, that must mean that all the different colors of light are coming out of this white light bulb. Here I have different colors of light bulbs. So what would happen if I had this blue balloon and the only light source was red? So there's no blue light to be reflected off the blue balloon. Or if vice versa, if I looked at a red apple where the only light source is blue. Now, I have my blue light bulb in, which is the only source of light in the room, so it's only blue light. Now if I put the red apple and the orange in the light, you can see that they look black. That's because there's no red or orange light to reflect off of them to hit our eyes, so they look black. Now, if I put the blue balloon in the blue light, it still looks blue, as it did under the white light. Assistant, could you please turn on the white light? Now, you can see the red in the apple, and the orange in the orange, and the blue balloon still looks blue. Now if you could turn it back. Now they look black again, and the blue balloon still looks blue. Now I have the red light source, and there's a red apple that looks really red, a blue balloon, and a green lime, which both look really black. Now, under the white light, you can see all the different colors. Now it's back to being black and red. Our original questions were, what colors of light come out of a white light bulb, and why do we perceive all these colors differently? Well, we know that all colors of light come out of a white light bulb, because we can see all the colors on the visible spectrum with one white light bulb. Also, we know that the colors are different because, for instance, the red apple has a pigment in it that reflects red light to our eyes, which our brain perceives as an image, and it absorbs all the other colors. We also found out that black is the absence of color, so that must mean that it absorbs all the colors. And so, since white is the opposite, it reflects all the colors. So that must mean that because light is energy, the black, since it absorbs all the light energy, it must get hotter. So in the summer, when you wear a black t-shirt rather than a white t-shirt, it gets hotter than the white t-shirt. So in the summer, try and wear white. And maybe in the winter, wear black. This is UV light. It looks awesome, especially in the dark. Wait a minute. UV? You've got to like the video.